Good morning, students. This is your English teacher Manoj Kumar Verma. In this video, I am going to give you the little concept about from the diary of Annie Frank from the chapter 4 from First Flight book. Well, this is an autobiography of Annie Frank. This story is derived from the diary of a young girl. Okay, so let's start. Annie Mary Annie Frank was born on June 1929 and died in February or March 1945. Actually, she was born in German. She was a German-born girl. She was a Jewish also. She wrote while in the hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of Netherlands in the World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazi gained power in Germany, but were trapped where Nazi occupation extended into Netherlands. Actually, Annie Frank just shifted from Germany to the Amsterdam to just protect herself with her family, father, mother, and older sister to Amsterdam to save herself. But she was the whole family were trapped over there when Nazi extended his occupation in Netherlands. So, as the persecution against the Jewish population increased, though Annie Frank was a Jewish girl, so when the persecution was increased in Germany, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hiding room in her father Otto Frank's office building in Holland. Okay, so when she was unable to protect herself, she went to hide in the office building of her father in Holland. After 2 years in hiding from 1942 to 1944, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system where Annie died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within the days of her sister Margot. Her father, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the World War ended. When the World War ended, so this is her father only survived, all were dead, and she returned again to Amsterdam. And after returning, what did happen? Let's see. The only survival of the group returned to Amsterdam after the Second World War to find that her diary had been saved. When her father returned, he found the diary written by Annie Frank, and he was overwhelmed to read the content of the diary. He did not expect that her daughter can write such emotion and feelings in her diary. So he was really surprised to know about the content written by Annie Frank in the diary. After that the war ended, to find the diary had been saved, and convinced that it was a unique record, he had action to leave to it published in English under the name of the Diary of a Young Girl. This accounts for why her father decided to publish her diary in the name of Diary of a Young Girl. The diary, when it was written, the diary was given to Annie Frank for her 30th birthday and chronicles the event of her life from 12 June 1942 till the final entry 1st August 1944. So actually this diary was given the chronicle description or chronicle entry in this diary from 12th June 1942 to till the last entry 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated originally into Dutch language. Actually, Dutch is spoken not only in Netherlands but also in the official language of Flanders. In the Dutch, there are the 323 mother languages are spoken. So first it is written in the Dutch language, then it was translated into the other languages also. There have been several films, television serials, theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. Actually, different type of performances were done like that. The several films were made on the diary, on the content of the diary. The television serial were made, and theatrical production were performed, and opera was also done on the street also. Okay, described as the work of the nature and thoughtful mind, the diary provides an ultimate examination of the diary life under Nazi occupation. So this was really a mind-blowing experience written by Anne Frank in her diary. That Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. We can never forget the sacrifice. We can never forget the experience and the emotions of Anne Frank, whatever she has written over here. So, in this diary, this is an extract, of course. In this extract, Anne Frank has described about the personal life, about the family life, about the school life, and about her punishment. Besides, she had also given a great description that paper has more patience than people. In fact, she wanted to say that the paper is mute things, mute or just mute things. It can never criticize. It never ask questions. It only just listen. It is a quiet listener. Whereas the people who can criticize, who can ask questions, and it is besides it is the diary is an unjudgmental and uncritical. Okay, so this is what it is written. In the next video, my dear student, I will go through the description in detail about the diary and whatever the experience she had in her life when she was in school, and about her personal life. Okay, till then, thank you very much.